Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to factory reset ROBOROCK S5 and S6. For that, you will need to follow some steps. First, hold the home icon button for 3 to 5 seconds. Second, use a pin to press the reset button next to Wi-Fi LED just once. And power button, home button and spot cleaning button light will be out. When you are doing this, please make sure home button is still under your fingers holding without moving. In the third step, keep holding home button for 5 seconds after you press reset button until power button blink again and you hear the tone restoring the initial version. It will take about 5 minutes. Please wait patient and then you could remove the finger. Here you will see. This is the home button in your robot. When you take out this cover of your robot, then you will see the reset button, which is next to the Wi-Fi button. So simply press and hold the reset button after your robot will be resetted, and hopefully your problem will be fixed after that. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.